Remove cataract without surgery and improve eyesight fully with castor oil. The American Academy of Ophthalmology said there are 24.4 million people over 40 in USA that have cataract. We all want to remove and cure this naturally. This issue is common for elder people, but more and younger people get it too due to unhealthy diet, screens and technology uses and smoking along unhealthy habits. The causes are usually oxidation stress, free radical damage and the eye clouding in the lens makes bad vision at night mostly. With time this can lead to blindness. Experts say that low antioxidants make this risk bigger. Delay this issue and surgery too with a high level of glutathione. This is the best antioxidant inside. Foods with such antioxidants are of great help. Cataract curing without surgery. Surgery is so far the best and most expensive way for curing this in late stages, but you can do this also with natural items. One item is castor oil. This cures cataract, age-related macular degeneration, dryness of eyes, conjunctivitis and more. When you see that oxidation is the lead cause for eye issues, you will have more antioxidant foods. Holistic health experts knew these even decades ago. They used castor for the vision, cataract and health prevention of eyes. Best castor oil type for cataract curing. Get 100% raw and organic castor oil, hexane-free and in a dark glass bottle with drop applicator part. How and when to use this for vision. Get 1 drop and put this in the eye, every day. Do this before sleep to avoid blurry vision. Apply it and close the eyes for the night. In the morning you will see crusts near the eyes since the oil gets calcification and it dissolved. Remove them and rinse the face with water. Many people who tried this say it works and made their health better. Do this 3 times in a row and if there is not result, stop the method. This method is harmless but it might not be the best for everyone's eyes. Results depend on the eye condition, so some people saw results after 3 weeks and some after 3 months. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.